Would you believe if I say your 100-page biology chapter or physics class notes or research paper can be turned into a podcast-style conversation or an interactive quiz in just a few seconds? This is exactly what Google's NotebookLM can do for you. This is the only video you need to watch to learn about total NotebookLM, one of the most useful AI tools right now for students, teachers, creators, researchers, and working professionals. And the best part is, unlike many other chatbots, it doesn't pick random information from the internet. It only focuses on the material you provide, whether it's a PDF, a YouTube video link, a document, or a Google Drive link, and gives answer only based on that. Also, watch till the end because I will share the best prompts which you can copy and directly use in NotebookLM. Okay, so at first search NotebookLM on Google. Click on the first link. Click on Try NotebookLM. And then you can sign in your account here. I have already signed in. Now I will show you all the features. Okay, to start you need to click on Create New. So as you can see here, you can upload your PDF or YouTube link or website link or even the Drive file, and then you can continue. So after you put anything here, the sources will be saved and it will show on the left side of the screen. I will show you the features one by one. Third, fourth, and fifth features are my favorite. Okay, so I will take a random YouTube video link for the first feature. So I've chosen this video. As you can see, it's a 3-hour long video. And for any student to learn from this video, it will take a lot of time. Now let's see how NotebookLM can help us in this. So you have to click on share and you have to copy the link. Okay, so I've copied the link. I will come back to NotebookLM. I will click here on websites and I will paste the link. It will take a few seconds to get saved. So as you can see, a small summary has been given. In the first feature, we'll just ask questions to see if it works correctly or not. So I will write, give me the most important points. Let's see what it gives. You have to wait a little and see. The most important points have been given here. Also, let me ask one more question. What are the possible exam questions from here? Let's see what it gives. As you can see, the result is here and it's pretty good for any student. Let's talk about the next feature, that is mind maps. To show the next features, I have downloaded this 50-page dynamics chapters PDF, and let's see how NotebookLM can help us in learning from this. Okay, so you have to again open the NotebookLM and click on upload files. Okay, so I have saved the PDF here already. As you can see, it's showing on the left side. Some basic information about the PDF has been given here. NotebookLM can create a mind map for your topic, which gives you a clear overview before you start reading in detail. So I've already created this mind map. I will click on this and you will see how this helps to understand the main ideas, subtopics, and also the connections at a glance. So the whole chapter feels much easier to follow. Suppose if I click on Newton's first law, it will again show 4 subtopics. So by this mind map, you can understand what exactly are things you need to learn to cover this topic. Okay, now the third feature, audio overview or podcast style conversation. It's the most interesting feature for me. Let me show what it can do. So I've already provided the PDF here. On the right, you can see many options. I will click on audio overview. So on audio overview, I will click on this arrow button and you will get some options. And here are different options like deep dive, brief, critique, debate, which you can choose as per your need. I'm gonna choose deep dive for now and I will choose Hindi language. You can also specify if you want NotebookLM to focus on a particular thing. I will keep it blank for now and let's click on generate. It will take a few minutes. And when it's done, it will show on the right side. I have already created this, so let's hear the audio now.
और ये जंग लगातार चल रही है। मतलब शरीर पर सैकड़ों किलो का एक अदृश्य बल काम कर रहा है जो नीचे कुचलने की कोशिश कर रहा है।
बिल्कुल, और वहीं जो कुर्सी है वो भी उतनी ही ताकत से शरीर को हवा में उछालने की कोशिश कर रही है, लेकिन कोई हिल भी नहीं रहा है। सब कुछ एकदम स्थिर है। क्यों?
क्योंकि देखिए, आज के हमारे इस अध्ययन का मुख्य विषय सिर्फ ये जानना नहीं है कि चीजें कैसे चलती हैं, जो कि काइनेमैटिक्स है, बल्कि ये समझना है कि वे क्यों चलती हैं, जिसे हम डायनामिक्स कहते हैं।
जैसे डॉल्फिन की छलांग या उड़ते हुए पक्षी का उदाहरण ले लीजिए, है ना?
एकदम सही। और सच कहा जाए तो इस क्यों का जवाब खोजना विज्ञान के इतिहास।
The whole PDF has been converted into a podcast. The quality is also pretty good, and you can listen to the explanation like a podcast while traveling. But remember, this is still AI generated, so for extremely serious study or research, cross-checking is very important. If you are watching the video till now, please do like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends. Okay, so the fourth feature that we are going to talk about is video overview. NotebookLM has also a video overview feature where it can turn your provided material into a visual explanation. So for using this, you again need to come to the right side of the screen and you need to click on video overview. I will click on the arrow, select the options as you need. I will choose this whiteboard thing and I will keep the language English. You can also specify if you want anything to be focused on. And then after doing all this, click on generate. I've already generated the video. It will take a few minutes to get generated. So this is the video that has been generated.
Movement in our physical universe. So in today's explainer, we're going to decode the absolute framework of our reality, Newton's laws of motion. Take a look at this. There is such a cool contrast here between the sheer, effortless beauty of a dolphin's jump and the invisible, really powerful forces making it happen. You know, in physics, we actually have two different ways to look at this. Kinematics is just studying the motion itself, so the arc of the jump, the speed, the acceleration. It's the what. But dynamics, which is what we're obsessed with today, asks the much deeper question, why does the dolphin move?
So again, the feature is pretty good, right? The next feature that we are going to talk about is quiz. NotebookLM can also create quizzes from your provided material. So let's check the quiz section. You need to click on the arrow and you can select the options as per your need. So I have selected number of questions to fewer and level of difficulty to medium. You can also specify if you want the NotebookLM to focus on certain things. And then you will click on generate. I've already generated a quiz. Let's click on it. So this is the quiz that has been generated and there are a total of 12 questions which you can answer. You can also take hint if you want. Now when you answer, if the answer is wrong, it will also give reason why it is wrong. And also it will give reason why the right answer is correct. So you can click on next and solve the other quiz problems. Okay, so there are some other features as well. Reports, data table, flashcards. I will quickly explain them one by one. Reports feature can create reports from your sources by organizing the information in a more structured way. Data table feature can arrange information in data table format, which makes comparison easier. For example, if your document has different topics, features, dates or points, it can organize them neatly so you can understand everything at a glance. Flashcards features can make flashcards from your material. It can be useful for quick revision because you can learn important terms, definitions and key points in a question-answer format. Now, let's talk honestly. The good part is that NotebookLM is extremely useful if you already have good source material. It saves time, helps in revision, and makes boring documents easier to understand. But the weak point is, you still need to verify important information. AI can make mistakes and sometimes the summary may miss details. So use it as an assistance, not as a replacement for studying. If you want more videos on useful AI tools like this, or tech or gaming videos, subscribe to this channel and also comment below which AI tool I should test next. Okay, bye then. See you in the next video.